Hello everyone, welcome to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to street view on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to explore world's landmarks, see natural wonders, and step inside places such as museums, arenas, restaurants, or small businesses, then you can easily use the Street View option on Google Maps. In order to do that, tap open your Google Map application first. Spot it in the app drawer and tap it on. Once you open up your Google Maps application, search for the place or drop a pin on a map. If you want to drop a pin, go ahead and zoom in your map and touch and hold in order to drop a pin. After you do that, at the bottom, tap the place's name or the address. Now, select the photo level that is available right beneath major distance, and you'll be able to see Street View for that particular area on Google Maps. When you are done, tap on the back button at the top left. That is how you can easily use the Street View on Google Maps using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.